Hi everyone. This is a really beautiful, simple little hairstyle that you can do really lots with it if you want to try it. You could do it with braids, you could do it with all sorts of different things. Let's have a look. So I curl all of the hair, make sure that it's looking good, and curl the ponytail. And this is just to add movement in the hair really. I don't want curl. Twist the top, we put the back into a ponytail, split the ponytail into two, and feed this through. So you can see here now we're getting this sort of lovely textured top with a beautiful crisscross back area. For the full tutorial of this, of course, you can go to my Access Long Hair Members Club. But not every hairstyle has to be a big hairstyle. Some hairstyles just want to be simple and super elegant. Look at this now as we finish this off by wrapping the hair back around again. It's fantastic. There is a little foundation in there to make sure that that all holds together. But look at that now for a beautiful, simple style.